चलिए जी, अब देखते हैं कि डिक्शनरीज को कॉपी कैसे किया जा सकता है। दूसरे भी कॉम्प्लेक्स डेटा टाइप्स के साथ हमने देखा था कि अगर सिंपल हम कॉपी करें कि जी डिक्शनरी 2 इज़ इक्वल टू डिक्शनरी 1, तो वो इन ट्रू सेंस कॉपी नहीं बनती, वो एक रेफरेंस बन जाता है टू द ओरिजिनल आइटम। सो इफ़ वी जस्ट सेड dict 2 equals dict 1, dict 2 would have just been a reference to dict 1, which means कि अगर dict 1 के अंदर कोई भी चेंज होगा तो dict 2 को देखेंगे तो वो चेंज नज़र आएगा, because it's a reference is looking at the same place in memory rather than having an independent copy. So true copy करने के लिए हमारे पास क्या तरीका है? एक तरीका है using the copy method. So we can say dict.copy और वो उसकी कॉपी बन जाएगी। और दूसरा मेथड जो है वो है यूजिंग द डिक्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर, और डिक्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर को भी आप एक डिक्शनरी दे सकते हैं एज एन आर्गुमेंट, और वो रिटर्न करेगा एज अ न्यू डिक्शनरी विच इज़ अ ट्रूली सेपरेट कॉपी। लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट सम ऑफ द कोड फॉर यूजिंग दिस। सो we'll use our first dict, which is our standard Hamlet, Shakespeare, Year and Soliloquy type of dictionary. We create the dictionary, and the first time I do a simple assignment saying second dict is equal to first dict. Okay? Ban gayi. And I say, now I'm going to print both in this one line of code. I'm saying copy created using simple assignment, new line. Remember, I'm consistently using the fstring method for formatting the output. So I say first dict, new line, second dict, and let's print it. Let's clear our output area first. So I think I made a copy. I said second dict is equal to first dict. So we have both of them looking very identical. But now what do? I change the value of the play key to Macbeth, another one of Shakespeare's play. So I change it in first dict. I've made the change in first dict. But let's print out both the dictionaries, first and second. It turns out that the play key now has an updated value in both first dict as well as second dict. Why? Because second dict wasn't really a true separate copy. It was simply a reference to the same part of memory where first dict resided. So when we did just an assignment, it didn't really create a copy. That's a shallow copy. Now, let's use the copy method to create a second copy. The way to do it is just say firstdict.copy, and it returns a new dictionary. Okay. So now this time we're saying second dict equals firstdict.copy. And now when we print, obviously they look very identical because they have the same key value pairs. But we'll do the same thing again. Remember, the play here now is Macbeth because we changed it. I'm going to change the play back to Hamlet in the first dictionary. So I do that. And now when I print, notice there's a difference. First dictionary has gone back to Hamlet, but the second dict has stayed with Macbeth because now it is a separate part, a new separate copy of the original dictionary. So that method works. And the final way of making a true copy is using the dict constructor. And for this, what we used was, we'll say second dict is equal to dict, and then the first dictionary's name, which is first dict. I execute this. And again, right now, after the copy, both dictionaries have identical key value pairs. But if I change a value, and this time I change the value of the play to Othello, which is another one of Shakespeare's plays rather than Macbeth, and I print both the lists, or rather both the dictionaries, what I get is first dict has been updated with the play Othello, but second dict, which was a true copy, and that copy was created using the dict constructor, just remains with the original value Hamlet. So just remember, when we're making copies of dictionaries, we cannot just rely on the assignment statement to make a copy. We have to use either the copy method or the dict constructor. Otherwise, we will end up with a shallow copy, which is just a reference to the original dictionary, and any changes made to the original will be reflected in the copy. So we have to be careful.